Pranamami sada Prabhupada-padam, Pranamami sada Prabhupada-padam. We have seen in the life of Bhakti-Purusha Goswami, a material people coming from outside. Material people. Whenever I enter the room, automatically they speak Harinam, Hare Krishna Maharaj. By watching. This is a symptom of pure devotees, Paramahansa. Only by watching them, coming in front of them, you can develop one kind of extraordinary feeling, power to speak Harinam. Hare Krishna Maharaj, Dandavad. It's quite natural. This is a symptom. You can feel inspiration. Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, Ramanujacharya told, same thing. Same thing. Ramanujacharya told, if you are failure to control your dirty attitude, dirty behavior, if you are just failure, you cannot get control over yourself, your failure, then you do one thing. You can go in front of exalted devotee, pure devotee, and sit in front of them. Sit? I cannot do anything. No, you sit in front of them. You need not do anything, you only sit in front of them. You can watch what they are doing. Only you can watch what they are doing. By watching them, and Bhaktivinoda already told, Sab Vaisnava Teja, effulgence, power. Bhaktivinoda many times told, if Vaisnava is not going to speak even a single word, Bhaktivinoda told, if Guru Vaishnava not going to speak even a single word with you, don't worry. You sit in front of them. Only your sitting in front of them for some time can give you result. Why? But from the body of Vaishnavas, some effulgence power coming. And that power entering into your body. If not so, then how possible that Lakshahira already going to change it? Because anyway, Haridas Thakur never wanted to speak anything, only doing Harinam. How it was possible? Number one, dangerous pros, Lakshahira. Only by watching at him, sitting in front of him, and the power coming. Only 3 nights, it was more than sufficient to change the overall structure of his dirty mind. Total change. So we must believe it. Ramanujacharya also saying, if you have failure to change your dirty behavior, why not you go and stand and sit in front of a pure devotees? It's more than sufficient. That is why it is written, if you can go to Ganga and take bath, then you can purify. But you can come in front of a pure Vaishnava, you can get purified. We need not go take bath in it. Narottam Thakur writing this and writing his kirtan. Gangar parasya hai paschate pavan. Gangar parasya hai paschate pavan. Darśane pavitra koro-ei tomāra. Only by darshan you can purify.